What's up everybody, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel for another unboxing, and today I've got the June package from Trendy Butler, so let's crack into it and see what we have. Alright, so if you guys have been following my unboxings of Trendy Butler, you know that the last few have been pretty spicy. I've gotten some pretty good stuff from them, so I am excited to crack into this package and see what we have this time. So, let's take a look. What do we have here? Okay. I'm liking the look of these pants. They look almost like, kind of like moto type of jeans, but they don't really look like jeans. I'm not really sure what's going on there. And then we've got this kind of flannel. I'm not normally a flannel guy, but this is in a color scheme that I like, so let's get it out of here and see what we really got here. Well, that's cool. I just noticed that the shirt is from Taylor Vintage, which is a Connecticut company. Connecticut's where I'm from. And I've actually worked with Taylor Vintage before. They sent me some clothes if you haven't seen that video already. They do make really, really nice stuff. So this shirt is from them. Yeah, Taylor Vintage right up there. And now the pants are from Cohesive and Company. This says knit denim, which is interesting. It doesn't, it does. It's like, it looks kind of like denim, but it also looks like the waist looks kind of like sweatpants. I'm not really sure what the deal is with that. It says work hard, play hard, lay harder. Yeah. Okay, Cohesive. I see what you're up to. Now, this is one thing that I really liked about the Taylor Vintage stuff, is that they really kind of go out of their way to make it feel premium, like with these wraps and these kind of cardboard tags and stuff. And the MSRP on this shirt is $98, so that's a pretty good deal. Now, this is also long sleeve, so we'll see exactly how that looks in a minute when we try everything on. Now, these, all right, this is really interesting. They're like, it's like a cross between jeans and kind of like joggers. Like, they have the elastic at the ankles as well as the waist, and a drawstring. No belt loops. I like the pocket lining and stuff, like that polka dot pocket lining. It's on the inside of the pockets as well, so that's pretty cool. I like that. I like the design on the front. As I mentioned, this looks kind of like these black moto jeans that I got from Express. It looks like that, which I'm into that look. So these look pretty cool. And then they look like they'll fit pretty well. They look nice and skinny, so I'm into that in terms of a fit of my jeans. I'm not sure how I feel about the elastic around the ankles, but we're gonna try everything on and see how it fits. And these are definitely pretty unique and cool looking, so I'm excited to see how they look once I've got everything on. So let's have a look. Okay. So I literally just went to I shut the camera off and I got up to go start trying these on and filming that part, but I had to come back because I read the tag on the back pocket of these pants, which I didn't read before, and it says, Cohesive and Company knit denim, created so you can work hard, play hard, lay harder. Basically, so you can go out after work and get laid. Results may vary. That's fucking hilarious, man. I don't know. That's just awesome. Okay, so let's try everything on now.